Welcome back to the Gargoyles Den Diecast. I'm Gargoyle. Today we're doing a quick restoration on a Cockney cab. I've already got it drilled apart, so let's get right into it. Only has one post, so that's nice and easy. It does have cap style wheels on it, and they're pretty rough looking. I might be able to chrome them up, but I don't think it'll look that great even if I did. So I'm going to put new replacement ones from Bright Vision on it. I also have a new glass from Second Chance Redlines, because the glass does have a crack in one window of it. One of the back windows has a slight crack in it. I want it to look its best, so yeah. I'm going to go ahead and replace that as well. I'll go ahead and take this over, get it drilled out, and head off to the regurgitation juice. Back in a few moments. Okay, I'm back from the stripper and got most of the paint off. The rest of this will come off. We'll use a wire brush for it. We'll go ahead and do the base at the same time and the motor all at the same time. Notice when I do this, I go at it from two different directions. I'll go this way and then back and forth this way, just to make sure I get into all the tight spots, etc. To make sure we get all the paint and that it's an even shine all the way around. Notice I left the tires on while I was doing that too, just because I wanted to keep the discs that are on there from getting damaged by the brush. So yeah, that protected that, and then we'll take and pop these off and pop the new ones on after we get everything polished. This, well, now that I can change the color, I don't have to worry as much about it. So you need to get down in these little areas here. That's what I need to do before I go any further. I have to use a different wire brush for that one. We'll use one of these. Do that before we start polishing.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret.
I'm going to be going over this with sandpaper just to get rid of that extra toning. It's going to depend on what color I'm going with, whether I need to or not. If I want to go Spectraflame, then yeah, I'll probably need to go over it with some sandpaper. Try to get it all down to the same, get rid of some of the toning. But even then, you're still not going to get rid of everything, probably. I'll think about that for a few minutes. I'll go ahead and get this polished up.
Fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid. Always
Give it a quick dip, clean it off. I didn't do the front yet. I still gotta do the grill. Couple spots I need to hit a little more. These two side pieces are still a little dark. This back area is a little dark still. Then of course I gotta hit the grill. Just put a little more flits on. Oh, bent the axle. I have to get my tool out. There's an actual tool you can use for these Redline axles to bend them back into shape. You can get it at the Redline shop if you don't have one.
Work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds. People can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time.
And it's looking a whole lot better than what it was. Do the motor up.
Just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing.
Like a diamond in a goat's butt. Notice I was really careful around the headlights. Those will break off if you're not. Alright, last but not least, let's go ahead. I'm going to try and polish this up, see how it looks. Without doing the sandpaper. Hopefully it'll come out alright. I think that's about it. Before I take it over to paint, you obviously want to clean off any contaminants. Alright, I'm going to go put some paint on this, and when I come back, I'll put them together and you'll be back for the reveal. See you in a little bit. And here's a quick reminder look of where we started, and then let's look at where we ended up. And here's where we ended up. I decided to go green. Not for the color or love of money, but green with envy. Hopefully you're envious as well. Hope everybody likes it. I know I do, as always. And until next time, that's all folks. Bye now.